Welcome back to another RIOT Platforms Inc. RIOT Stock Bitcoin mining stock video, price analysis, technical analysis, whatever you want to call it. Let's talk about it. Yes, you saw that right. I am looking to buy down here under $10. Anytime this stock has gone under $10, it has been a buy. Let me grab this arrow tool, and I am going to point to every single time this stock tried so hard to go under $9. And it did come down under $9 this one time here, and immediately had a huge run up from 8 to 12 for a nice 50%er. But every time it comes under $10, here it came down to 9.23. Look at this huge wick here. Buyers stepping in every single time. Buyers love this stock under $10, ideally at around 9.20 to 9.40. So that is where I am looking to buy. This is your alert letting you know right now, hey, things are coming down right now. As you can see, we're seeing some weakness across the markets. Yes, we are getting a bounce on some stocks, but we'll see how things pan out going into Friday, because Fridays tend to be sell-off days. So I'm not too excited about today's pump on the S&P 500, the SPY, which represents the top 500 companies. So I wouldn't get too excited. We're in a downtrend, and we've had green candles in a downtrend, and it still can continue going down anyways. Look at this big candle here. This looked bullish back then, but then it continued to trend to the downside. So that's why I'm being a little more cautious and not buying anything. I'm going to sit back and I'm going to wait and see if the market as a whole is going to recover. Let's wait for RIOT to get down nice and cheap. You never want to buy up here at $12. You'd be the sucker buying the top if you did that. If you have no patience, you're going to continue to buy when it's expensive. Have patience, buy it when everyone else is buying it, when the smart ones are buying it, down here at around 9 to 9.50. So that's your alert. That's your YouTube alert, whatever you want to call it. I've done this so many times. This thing has been holding that $10 range since last year, June. Let me show you that here. Look at that. Since way back here, it's been holding that range. And then it skyrockets sometimes as far as 18, maybe even 20 for a nice 100% plus gains. But as of late, it's only been going to $12. So, hey, $12 from $9, that's still almost, not quite 50%, but it's a bit of money. So that's it for your video on RIOT. You can do this with any other Bitcoin miner. Mara, same thing. Mara, you can buy that one when it gets. Well, if you see RIOT under $10, then Mara is probably a buy as well, because this one is holding the $15 range. But more specifically, it's been holding up here at the $18 range. So the cheapest it has gone down to is around 15, but as of late, it's been holding that 18 to 1860 range. So that's where you would want to look to buy if you want to buy something other than RIOT stock. And that's it for the video. Mara does have more volatility, so do keep that in mind. There is more potential for more gains because it can gap up like dollars, but I'd rather buy the cheaper one, which is RIOT, and that is it. That's your video for the day.